we signed up today.
Yeah. When we heard about it, we said, that's such an amazing idea. Coming from a healthcare background, I said, okay, that's genius. Never, when you have someone in hospital, is it who's going to clean their house. It's, can you get up the stairs? Like all the big things. But like that's it, and especially this is the industry we're in. Why would you not help somebody by doing that? You know, we could easily go and pack bags and, you know, shake a bucket. Fine. But we have a service to provide. We can help somebody. So when we started and heard about it, we said, that's such a good idea. We had a customer call and say, you know, I remembered when you guys helped me. Now, unfortunately, it wasn't us, but in the past, the Orlando office had helped somebody and had called and said, I'm moving into a new home and, you know, I trust you guys to do it.
Yeah.
So you went out and met with her. I was texting her back and forward. So just to have that, and she remembered us after all that time.
Yeah.
So then when we knew we were coming here and they were going to be here, I said, this is something that we have to do this time. And we recently had a customer that was putting her service on hold to go to treatment. And I said, this is why we do it. So I said, she has to be our number one. So I hope she will be.